Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with CJ. We're trying something a little different tonight. We are on date night. We're going to try out a restaurant called Gus's BBQ. It's in Claremont, California. I decided I wanted to try to do some of these restaurant reviews and see what we think is going to be the next up and coming thing around here in Southern California, and if we travel anywhere else. So below, make sure you comment down there and let us know what you think of this little food review and what you think of what we're doing right here. All right. Stay tuned. Next time you see us, we'll be in front of Gus's. Alright guys, so we're on our way to Gus's, so I'm going to give you a little background on Gus's. So I'm going through the website. We've actually tried some of their food. There's a thing that my company sponsors called Taste of the IE, and they've had their food featured there. It's Southern barbecue. They started up in 1946. They decided to bring their brand of cooking out west, so there's a couple places. There's one in Pasadena, one here in Claremont where we're at right now. This is called The Village. So welcome to The Village. I want to get a bunch of stuff from them. I'm going to try their sampler platter. We're going to give you a solid review. All right, so we got to find a place to park up in here. This is a very fancy packed kind of place. So I think that we got some parking around here. So let's go park. We'll take a walk down and we'll find Gus's. All right, come on back. All right, guys, this is Gus's BBQ. Seeing what it looks like. It smells awesome, doesn't it? The crepes place. You excited for that crepes? All right, so here's the outdoor patio of Gus's BBQ. Huh? There's our wonderful service. Southern kitchen. We got some greens, little ribs. You want some greens? You want some greens?
My brother calls it filler.
Filler, yeah.
Filler.
See some appetizers. I'm thinking that smoky guacamole looks pretty good. Deviled eggs. What? Pulled pork nachos.
We need the deviled eggs and the pulled pork nachos.
Oh yeah, there's where we're at right there. Little guac, little fire roasted salsa, some fresh chips, and deviled eggs, smoky deviled eggs. All right, so we're doing a little incognito in here. Got me this smoky guac.
They're really good.
And the chips are house made. You see that? Got a little barbecue seasoning on it. The deviled egg. What do you think?
My favorite.
All right, it's her favorite. Good stuff. All right, guys, so here's what I got. I got the ribs, the jalapeno cheddar sausage, the brisket, little mac and cheese, little cheddar jalapeno grits. Mrs. CJ got the mac and cheese, little fried chicken, little dirty rice, little ribs, little pulled pork. It's looking pretty good. How do you feel about this?
I feel like I'm gonna be sick.
Yeah, probably. All right, guys. So again, we're doing this incognito style. Let's go ahead and try the stuff that I can do with my hand. So we got a little bit of the brisket right here. Looks pretty juicy. That's good. Got a little fatty bit.
That's good.
Mac and cheese is good. Give me the brisket. Good stuff. All right, so we got the jalapeno cheddar sausage. You want some of this?
Is that code?
You want some of my sausage?
Yeah. Thank you.
That's awesome. Thank you. The sauce is a little too much. Like a light little bit of sauce will probably do you right. But not bad at all. Got a little spice, little twinge in the back. Got a little of the rib. I got the baby backs. Miss CJ got the, you get St. Louis ribs. Let's try it. Good bite. Kind of falling off the bone. It's for the masses, you know. All the meat's been real good. I'm a fiend for grits. Okay, so we're gonna try these grits. Got the grits. I'm not getting the cheddar. I'm not getting the jalapeno. It's not bad. Can't place what I'm trying to eat here. All right, mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is good. Got a nice little, it's like a panko breadcrumbs on top. Good. All right, guys, we just finished up our meal today at Gus's Barbecue. So I want to kind of talk about what we got. So we both got combo platters. I got the brisket, which was excellent. The bark was excellent. The only problem is they put too much barbecue sauce on it. Okay, I prefer to have my barbecue sauce on the side, so I can add it myself. The sausage, it was the jalapeno cheddar. They came with like a mustard barbecue sauce on it, which I'm not a big fan of mustard.
It was good.
But it was good. And then I got the baby back ribs, which turned out awesome. They were very good. The smoke ring was excellent. I really enjoyed them. The grits were pretty dang good, but they weren't jalapeno cheddar. Like, I didn't taste the jalapeno cheddar in them. They just had a great flavor, and you know, they are what they are. Mac and cheese, what do you think?
It was good.
Mac and cheese was bomb. You had the fried chicken, which I tried too. The fried chicken was excellent.
It was really crispy.
Crispy. Oh, excuse me. Dirty rice. Dirty rice was awesome. Yeah.
That was really good. Nice and spicy.
Yep. You had the spare ribs.
Yes.
Yeah.
They were good, but kind of saucy.
Yeah, they put a little too much sauce on everything. It's at least what my feeling is. Too much sauce.
So you're anti-sauce.
I'm anti-sauce.
Yeah.
I'd rather apply the sauce myself. All right. And then
the pulled pork.
Pulled pork, which didn't have sauce. So go figure.
It was really good.
It was good. It was good. They had a nice bark mixed throughout it. So I'm sure there was all parts of the pork butt in there.
There was some fatty parts.
There was some fatty parts. You know, the fatty parts are good.
It's true.
That's why I look the way I do, because of the fatty parts. That's kind of wrap it up for this one. We decided not to get dessert. We were way full. We had too much food. Too much food. We're going to wrap this one up. We'll try this place again. I'd definitely give it a thumbs up. Our waitress, Kendall, was very nice, very attentive. She got a big tip. We really do appreciate good service, so we really do tip our servers well. So for our first foodie review of a restaurant, I think it was a good one. What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, cool.
I like this place better than Lucille's.
Yeah, I like it better than Lucille's too.
Yeah.
And I've talked about it on the hot seat a few times, and interviewing other people, that there's not a lot of great barbecue joints in Southern California. Our choices are pretty slim to none, but this is the one that's about 20 minutes away from our place.
Yeah.
And I definitely think we'll come back here. So Gus's Barbecue in Claremont, California. Give it a shot. I'll put the website link down below. Again, if you guys like this little foodie review thing, it's not going to be dedicated just to barbecue. And I'm not going to do it every day at night because I got so much shit for that.
I don't know why. I just want to eat without a camera in my face.
Yeah, it's weird. All right, so if you like this sort of thing, hit the comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by, and thanks for eating with CJ.